Here we go. These are the signs that we're going to be holding up while they're dancing. Fabulous. Honk If You Like.
Okay, that's not so.
Sophia. Let's go. You just. Well, close it, noob. Let's go. No, we can't go that far.
No, that one right there.
We can't go that far. And no cars even go right there. No, Megan, we can't go that far.
Only this far?
Yeah, there's a lot of cars there. Wait, you guys, slow down. I need to videotape this. I hope you all fall on your face. Wait, you guys, not yet, not yet. I don't have any shoes on. This is freaking ghetto as crap. Wait, you guys, wait. I said wait. Yes, they do. No, we have to go right here.
No, all the way down there, just that corner.
Megan, we can't go.
We have to go over there at the main street.
No, Megan, go.
One, two.
Oh, it was just like, yes.
I'm done.
No, I didn't do that.
I'll try to go home.
Go! I'm keeping those signs for next time.
Oh my gosh. I can't leave you home.
Megan, stop scratching your ass with that.
I wonder how I look when I do it.
Is that your father?
No, I'm saying so like.
Go, go, go.
Not this one.
I bet you he would have called. Oh, wait, no, he doesn't. He looks like he can't read. No, it's he has to. Fine, go, Megan. Oh my god. Run, Sophia! Oh.
I'll do my move, man.
You're such a freak.
What do you do?
Work it, go, work it!
What would you do?
What?
If you saw this?
Yes, I would make my mom pull over so I can watch you. So honk now.
I did.
Twerking.
What would you do if you saw this? It looks so ghetto.
You put were. Honk if we're fierce. Come on, one last time, let's go. Run!
California. There's more cars coming.
Go, go. Sophia, hurry!
Come on!
Oh my god, Bowman is saved the last. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Go, Sophia, go! Go, Sophia, go!
You go.
So honk. Are you honking on? Are we done here?
Yeah.
We're done. Dancer number 1. Dancer number 2. Wow.
Are you done?